Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rose and today we will talk about vegetables.
Carrot, carrot, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop some carrots, carrots. Na na na. Let's chop some cabbage, cabbage. Na na na. Let's chop some broccoli, broccoli. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na, na na na. And we sing na na na, na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. One more time. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. Potato, potato. Spinach, spinach. Celery, celery. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop potatoes, potatoes. Na na na. Let's chop some spinach, spinach. Na na na. Let's chop some celery, celery. Na na na. Some vegetables for you and me. Potato, spinach, celery. Potato, spinach, celery. Some vegetables for you and me. And we sing na na na, na na na. And we sing na na na, na na na. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me. One more time. Vegetables for you, you. Vegetables for me, me. Vegetables for you and me.
Okay, let's spell vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. The first vegetable that we will talk about is corn. Let's spell corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Do you like to eat corn? Yes, I do. I like corn. No, I don't. I don't like corn. What is the color of the corn? The corn is yellow. Okay, let's go to mushroom. Let's spell mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Do you like to eat mushroom? Yes, I do. I like mushroom. No, I don't. I don't like mushroom. What is the color of the mushroom? The color of the mushroom is brown. Let's go to broccoli. Let's spell broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Do you like to eat broccoli? Yes, I do. I like broccoli. No, I don't. I don't like broccoli. What is the color of the broccoli? The broccoli is green. Let's go to carrots. Let's spell carrots. C-A-R-R-O-T-S, carrots. Do you like to eat carrots? Yes, I do. I like carrots. No, I don't. I don't like carrots. What is the color of the carrots? The carrot is orange. Let's go to tomato. Let's spell tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Do you like to eat tomato? Yes, I do. I like tomato. No, I don't. I don't like tomato. What is the color of the tomato? The tomato is red. Let's go to eggplant. Let's spell eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T, eggplant. Do you like to eat eggplant? Yes, I do. I like eggplant. No, I don't. I don't like eggplant. What is the color of the eggplant? The eggplant is purple. Let's go to potato. Let's spell potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Do you like to eat potato? Yes, I do. I like potato. No, I don't. I don't like potato. What is the color of the potato? The potato is brown. Let's go to pumpkin. Let's spell pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Do you like to eat pumpkin? Yes, I do. I like pumpkin. No, I don't. I don't like pumpkin. What is the color of the pumpkin? The pumpkin is orange. Let's go to cabbage. Let's spell cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Do you like to eat cabbage? Yes, I do. I like cabbage. No, I don't. I don't like cabbage. What is the color of the cabbage? The cabbage is green. Let's go to onions. Let's spell onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Do you like to eat onion? Yes, I do. I like onion. No, I don't. I don't like onion. What is the color of the onion? The onion is purple. Did you enjoy our lesson today about vegetables? Good job! See you next time. Bye!